So purpose of the app was to create an easy-to-use mobile application to view the reports generated by the Strandomics platform. So basically, you would get these 20 or so page reports when your case was completed or closed. So instead of the doctor having to go through all these pages, we decided to come up with an app that laid this information out in an interactive and easy-to-use manner. So, utility of the app was to be able to access multiple patients at once and to be able to view reports of multiple patients immediately, because this information is stored on the database anyway, so it's easier to just pull it and then show it on an app rather than pulling out several PDF documents and going through them. So there's two major views in the application, a patient's view and a reporting view, which I'll show in a minute. So what the patient's view has is that it has a reporting and pending portion. Pending is when a case exists, but a report has not been closed or available yet. Reporting means that the report is ready to be able to view. So I'll show that right now. This will be the iOS version, but this app does exist on Android as well. But the interfaces are more or less the same. Connecting to the Wi-Fi, sorry. Okay, cool. Can everybody see it? Oh, sorry. So it's a weird idea I had. Okay, so this is basically the login screen. You log in with the same ID you have as a clinician on the Strandomics website. So I'll go ahead and do that because typing upside down is a bit difficult. And by the way, this is running on 4.14, the demo server. So once you log in, you get this view. This is the patient's view. So you have several squares on the screen, and the screens represent the patients that are available for the clinician to view. So as I said before, these tabs on the top, they represent the reporting and in-progress patients. So, oh, one second, is it easier for you guys to see it this way, or should I keep using the camera? Like if I just held it like this, is it easy to see? Camera's better? Okay. Cool, okay, so what you can see on the reporting view are the patients that have closed cases and the reports are available. The top part has the patient's name or alias, and this display is changed depending on what the clinician has permissions to see. So if the clinician has permission to see the full name, you'll see the full name, otherwise you'll see just the alias. These bottom two cards represent statistics about the patient. So the first card represents the age, gender, and yeah, that's it, the age and the gender. Second card represents the highest pathogenicity level of the patient. So basically, if a patient has several variations that are in danger or benign, etc., you would see the highest or most dangerous on the screen itself. So the doctor can view the report right away. This next view, in progress. So it's hard to press. So in progress view, this shows the same thing, the patient's name. However, it shows the case status. So these are cases that have not been closed, but it's hard to read it on there. But the first one says report generation in progress. As you can see, these are not clickable. The last tab is archived. That the API calls to us be made, but that will basically be a search of all the patients, and it'll do a network search. So now we'll look at the reporting view. Once you select a patient on the patient's view, you will get the reporting panel. Waiting for that to straighten out. Okay. So there's three major boxes here. The first one is basic patient information.
The one is slanted forward.
Slanted, yeah.
The text is completely.
Yeah, text is completely gone.
There's some text out there.
You can see this, right?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll just hold it up like this.
So
This card right here represents the basic patient information. So exactly what you saw on the screen before, you can see it here again. just a reference. The bottom part gives you the test name, and the top part gives you the patient age and name. This part is the test results. So as soon as you click on an open report, you can view the results. And this represents the table of genes and variations that are in the report. So pressing the gene name will give you information about the gene itself. Pressing on a report, or sorry, variation.